Hi everyone, Fanita here. How is everybody? Okay, today I have a Goodwill jar. I've had it for a while now, and I've had it for so long that the color of the tag, where'd it go? Of the price tag is already wearing off because of how long it's been on the table. But this jar is $24.99, and as you know, Goodwill has been recently putting a lot of what I would call junk in their jars. So, but I did I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt again and then see what's in here. So that's what we're going to do. Again, $24.99 for this jar, and let's see what's inside. Hopefully not junk. Hopefully something nice will come out. So let's see what's in here. Okay. Okay, I see wooden beads. Okay, we have some wooden beads here. Okay. And nothing to get excited about. It's even dirty. There's something, something stuck on it. I'm not even going to touch that. Okay, that's going to go into crafts. A broken brooch. Let's see what else. Okay, this is pretty. That's not bad. Cute little pendant with rhinestones and no marks on it. And that's it. Okay, but that's a keeper. This is very bad condition. This is going to go into crafts, so I'm going to put the crafts on this side. Again, crafts. A little coin, token of some sort. London Bridge, dollar rotary. I don't know. London Bridge Rotary, it says. Okay, just a little token coin looking thing. This is okay. Let's see what this is. I like these necklaces that come in kind of like an antique gold color. This is pretty. Okay, it's a multi-strand necklace, and the clasp is okay. It's just a little worn, but other than that, it's okay. Okay, so that's a keep. A bracelet, and it looks like it's missing the little chain here. Most likely this is going to be gold plated. There's no marks, but it's in good condition. Not bad. That's a keeper. This is not a keeper. It's missing the stone on the bottom, but it was pretty cute, so I don't know, maybe the stone's inside. Let's put this on the side for now until we figure out where the stone is. Okay. Earring, and another earring behind it. Let's see if we have pairs. I mean the mates to the earrings. Oh, that's cute. Okay. We have a locket, and it says 1928. And it looks to be in good condition. Let's see. Not going to be able to open this, am I? No, I'm not going to be able to open it, but it looks to be in good condition. It just needs to be, wiped down. Other than that, it's okay. Strand of pearls, fake pearls, plastic. I'm going to put that. Oh, here's another one of that coin token thingy. Okay, a watch. And this will go in my watch lot also because I know nothing about watches, but I do know the Nike sign. So it's a Nike watch here. And I don't know if it's working. I don't think it has the battery. No, I'm just going to put this in the watch lot. And speaking of watches, another watch. No markings, nothing. Okay, another for the watch lot there. And another watch. Where's my loop? Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay, let's see what this says. La Mer collection. So I don't know. It's like one of those wraparound watches. This is also going to go into watches. I don't sell watches. I don't deal with watches. A necklace. Okay. I see AK. Okay, so it's Anne Klein. And it's just a necklace here with orange stones. Nothing is wrong with it. Looks to be okay. So that's keep. Okay, I see this, the same item, AK, and a green color. So we have two of these, and which I'll probably make it into a lot. So two of the same necklaces, different colors. A pearl earring. What's going on here? Okay, okay, so it's broken, and it's just oh, and it's missing some stones. So that's gonna go into crafts. And what is this here? So little and thin. Interesting. Has little tiny stones. No marks. Okay, I'm gonna keep this and check this one. I don't have the magnet with me. Shell necklace. Oh, a candy cane. That's cute. A candy cane pendant. Okay, that's a keeper. That's cute. I'll put that in gifts. And we have another necklace here with cute little bead with tiny little stones on it. I don't see any marks on this either. Okay, so, but I'm gonna keep this because it's cute. Okay, and some kind of necklace, little tiny sequin-like beads. Okay, nothing wrong with it, so it's a keeper. Okay, what is this? A little pouch. Oh, okay. What are these? I hope they're not voodoo dolls. Uh-oh, did I get somebody's bad juju? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little dolls in this colorful looking pouch. Not sure what they are or what they're even made of. They look like they're made out of some kind of straw or toothpick or something. I don't know. Anyway, I hope I didn't bring somebody's bad luck here. These look creepy, guys. I don't know. Okay, I don't know what these are. I'm just gonna put them back inside, and I don't know. Maybe one of you will know what that is. Okay, well, that's cute. A cupcake, kind of like it has a little cutout for eyes, and I don't see any marks on here. I'm not sure what this is. It's a cupcake, little eyes, kind of like the, you know, the danger sign with the skull and bones, kind of. I don't know. I don't know. It does have a cherry. If that makes any difference. Okay, what's this? This one also has a little tag that says Kisaka, Kissaka. I don't know. We're gonna have to look it up. Okay. And so far, nothing exciting. And those dolls were creepy, but so far nothing of the value of what the jar is. But we're still looking. This is very worn, very worn. You guys can't see the inside, but it's horrible. Put that into crafts. A little tiny wooden bangle that's way too small for it to fit. So that goes into craft seed also, and also crafts. That's cute. Okay, found something cute. Okay, cute little enamel green flower pendant. No marks or makers, but it is cute. Okay, what is this? Plastic beads. Can't read what it says. Hang on. There's a little spider, and it ends in ZY. I'm not sure what it is. Plastic beads, like literally plastic. Okay. What else do we have? Okay, it's cute. Let's Let's look at this clasp. These clasps are usually 925. Or now I lost my loop. No, it just says GF. So it's gold filled, and I can't read what it says on this side. It's cute though. It's a little tiny necklace. Another necklace. No marks. Nothing really wrong with it. That's a keeper. Okay, what is going on here? Okay, AEO, American Eagle Outfitters. Little hearts, and it's stuck to this one here. Ooh. Come out, come out. Oh. Okay, this is going to take some time because it's really tangled here. This is just another beaded necklace here. It doesn't have anything on the tag. I mean on the clasp, but this one does say a American Eagle Outfitters, and of course it came with a hair. Ew. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put these in crafts because it is worn out. Okay, didn't I just see this? It's the same one. Is it the same one? Yeah, it is the same necklace. And okay, we have some tangles here. Okay. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, why is this one have... Okay, this one is stuck to... Wait a minute. Yeah, it's just... How to get in there? Okay, there it came out. Okay. So it's the same thing here, and here's a little Alex and Ani style bracelet, but it's not Alex and Ani. It's a star. I mean, it's a moon and a heart. I love you to the moon and back. That's it's in really good condition. So I don't know what else is going on here. And again, lots of tangles. This looks cute. This is interesting. What is this? Okay, this looks like it may be sterling. Okay, well, I'm gonna undo these. Okay, here's another necklace. This is really cute. No makers, but I love this style. And I don't know what it's made of, but it's a silver tone. Really cute. Okay, we have a leaf necklace here. Feather, actually. Feathers, gold feathers, and black little stones, and no marks. But it's cute. Very pretty. Okay, and my hands are all dirty already. Choker style necklace with rhinestones. That's not bad. Oh. Okay, we have an enamel, what looks like a collar necklace, but I don't know if this is damaged or just dirty. Let's see. Oh, it was dirty, but it looks like it has some kind of dent over here. I don't know. This will be good for someone to do some kind of craft with. Okay. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. This is so worn out. Oh boy. Very worn out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's in horrible condition. And it's from Zara. That's too bad. Okay, it's going to go into crafts. A chain link necklace. Very worn out again. Another, I don't know what this is. Is this a watch? I don't know if this is a watch. No markings. Oh, it says LG. I don't know what that is. I'll put it aside. Oh, another one. Another one. And, oh, this one says something here. Hang on. Fitbit. It's a Fitbit. I don't know what a Fitbit is, but there it is. Okay, here's a necklace. And it came apart. I really love the little dangly stones that are on here. They have these little, you know, crackled look to them where they look like they've been cracking on the inside. And it's kind of like a pink wine color and a clear one. I'll put this back together because it's really nice. Okay, that's a keeper. I don't know if this is a keeper. It has some kind of cloth on here, and I'm not sure if somebody made this themselves or if it came this way. But I do love the pink teardrop beads. I'll just put it in craft. Someone may be able to use this and make something. Glass spangle. I get a lot of these, and I make them into lots. And we have a cha-cha necklace made out of faux pearls. Okay, a lot of people like those. This is cute, but again, worn out. So crafts it goes. We have some kind of Harry Potter necklace here. Looks very worn out. So I'm just going to put this into crafts also. Another earring, no mate. Oh, it's cute. A little colorful plastic ring. Nooni might like this. We have a seashell stretchy. That's all stretched out. As you can see, it's coming apart. Okay, crafts it goes. Braided seed bead necklace, but this is also very worn out. So I'm going to put this in crafts also. They should start calling these craft jars instead of jewelry jars, because that's what it looks like. It looks like a craft jar. Yeah, this is also very worn out. It's going to go into crafts. And two rings that have seen better days. So, is that a marking? Hang on, guys. Am I seeing things? It is a marking. It just says X on it. Pretty worn out though. I don't think it's anything special. And this is also worn out. It's gonna go in here. And last one, a love necklace. And it says Crystal Collection. So this one is still in the little baggie. So this is brand new. And that was it for $24.99, guys. And now I'm kind of freaking out about what this is, but other than that, I didn't see anything, you know, that was of that value. I really like this flower though, and then there was these ankline necklaces, but other than that, I don't see anything. So not really a good jar is what I would say. And I want to say thank you everyone who's been watching. I also want to talk about I want to let, if Carol is watching,